Retail banking is the future of banking in Nigeria, and any bank that fails to embrace it will eventually turn out a big loser. Now, that's the verdict of experts at a forum on retail banking held in Lagos. X-raying developments in the sector, the experts called on banks to expand their retail banking infrastructure so as to serve more customers and help in bringing about financial inclusion.
So the new face of banking to me represents retail because of the massive pool of people that is available to be able to tap from. The traditional sources of income of banks is diminishing, contracting, or in worst cases, are totally wiped out. So they must get innovative in how to engage the market.
That is the next thing. Are the demographics in Nigeria? I'll give you an example. In another 15 years, Lagos, the capital, the financial capital of Nigeria, will be about 40 million people. These people would need various retail banking products to be able to, imagine economy. Oil or no oil in Nigeria, there is a fundamental that underscore that this is a resilient economy. And under the bed of that particular economy is retail and SME banking. So Nigerian banks definitely, for subsistent and continuous long-term growth plan and trajectory, they definitely have to deploy retail banking growth. Otherwise, they will miss out of the opportunity.
When we think about banking, we also have to think about USSD. It's universal. So people have USSD channels. So internet banking is not the only channel that's digital, but USSD as well. But that is assuming you already have a bank account. The challenge is, how do I get people that don't have bank accounts or have not digitized their cash to digitize it? And that's where you get mobile money and a lot of agent banking that banks are embarking on. Is let's not just look at the people that have bank accounts, let's look at the people that do transactions that have cash. And can they create wallets or other types of accounts that allow you to gain access to transactions?
Huge amount of change going on in the banking industry, regulation, digital, the drive to technology, customers actually now far more demanding than they've ever been, putting major pressures on retail banks. What this means is the banks have really got to start rethinking some of the issues around their infrastructure, both hard and soft, and how they're going to reappraise their strategy in the weeks and months ahead. Technology makes a major impact on our daily lives, and it's not just about the world of banking. So banks need to understand that, because the need for physical branches is different today than it has been in the past. When you look at technology and how it influences our day-to-day activity, particularly with the mobile phone, it's influencing the way that we deal with our banks as well. I think alongside that, one of the other major areas of focus for the banks has got to be about the people. Not only the people that run the banks, but also the people that are the front line of the banks, those that are the brand of a bank. Have you got the right people? Have you got the right talent? Do you need to recruit different talent in a different world? If you do that, then you'll start to create a world which customers find attractive.